I have to ask, no, you brought it up, Sir Rafi, Sir Edwin, very controversial question. And this is just our opinion para po sa lahat ng nanonood at nakikinig sa atin. Do you still believe na may pures?
Good question. Kasi in the first place, from the time na kinuha, for example, namin ni Edwin sa original breeder, kay Mr. Ding Fair, 1998, hindi naman talaga natin alam kung anong laman nun, kung saan din niya kinuha yon. Yung history nun, hindi naman natin alam kung ano talaga nakalagay doon. Diba? So, syempre kami, as breeders, we took his word, or we take the word of the breeder, diba? And go by that. Diba? Pag sinabi niya, ito, pure Ding Fair